You've been told meme coins are a joke. The joke is that they might be the most honest thing in crypto. Here's the tension. Almost everyone files meme coins under fake. Worthless tokens, pure gambling, nothing underneath. And the gambling part is true. But fake is the wrong word, and getting it wrong is how people lose money. A meme coin is doing something very real. It's just refusing to pretend otherwise. So let's define it cleanly. A meme coin is a token whose value rests entirely on attention, community, and shared belief. There's no protocol earning fees, no cash flow, no claim on any underlying asset. Strip away the branding and a meme coin is a bet on whether more people will care tomorrow than care today. That's it. That is the entire machine. It started as an actual joke. Dogecoin launched in 2013, built off a Shiba Inu meme, explicitly making fun of crypto's self-importance. The punchline that it became a top 10 coin is the whole story of the sector in one move. Then came the Dogecoin wave, and eventually the launchpad era, platforms where anyone can mint a token in minutes and let a bonding curve set the price as people buy in. The barrier to creating a coin went to roughly zero, and the supply of memes exploded. Mechanically, they all work the same way. A token gets created. Some of it goes into a liquidity pool on a decentralized exchange, paired against a real asset so people can trade it. From that point, price is just buyers versus sellers. Supply and demand, nothing else holding it up. And here's the part that matters. In a meme coin, the holders are the marketing department. Their incentive is to make more people pay attention, because attention is the only input that moves the price. The number go up isn't a side effect of the product. It is the product. Now the uncomfortable part, the reason I said honest, look at a large slice of so-called serious tokens. Many low-float utility or governance coins trade on exactly the same fuel, narrative, hype, and the hope that someone pays more later. The difference is they bolt a white paper and a roadmap on top to make the speculation feel respectable. A meme coin doesn't bother. It tells you to your face that it's a bet on attention. So the honest read isn't memes are fake and the utility coins are real. It's that a lot of the market is running the same engine, and the meme coin is just the version that stopped lying about it. That honesty does not make it safe. This is where precision matters, so I won't soften it. Meme coins are, on average, negative sum. The launch insiders, the early snipers, and the bots that front-run the bonding curve extract value from everyone who shows up later. The large majority of these tokens trend towards zero, and many are designed to. A rug pull is when the creator drains the liquidity pool and vanishes. A soft rug is slower. The team quietly sells into the believers until there's nothing left. The mechanics that make a meme coin able to go up 100 times are the same mechanics that let it go to nothing in an afternoon. So why do they keep mattering? Because as a sector, meme coins are a live barometer of risk appetite. When money is willing to chase pure attention with no fundamental floor, that tells you something about how speculative the whole market has become. Memes tend to run hot near the top of risk cycles and bleed first when fear returns. That's why traders watch the meme sector even if they'd never hold one. It's a thermometer for greed. There's a more ambitious case too, that meme coins are a new form of internet-native coordination. Communities organizing around a shared symbol the way a brand commands loyalty. Maybe. But this is culture and this is a casino are not opposites here. Most of the time it's both at once, and the casino pays out for the house. Which brings us back to where we started. The instinct to call a meme coin fake is the expensive mistake. It's not fake. It's the realest thing on the menu, a naked bet on human attention with no story laid over the top to comfort you. The danger was never that meme coins are a joke. The danger is that they're completely serious, and most people walk up to a coin flip and treat it like an investment. We cover crypto on the days that actually matter, with explainers when it helps. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. We'll see you next time.